Alright, so I did the soldering. Everything is now being put back in. Yes, we are putting everything back in now. So, these are the wires for the gate. Those are the ones that came with the gate. So yeah. This could get mildly annoying. If I can do this so that you guys can see it. Basically, what we got going on here is we got this little spring. It's annoying, I'm not gonna lie. Alright. So, I don't know what you saw. Basically, I hooked this up, put the screw through it. That made it easier. So that's a nice, easy way of going about it. Alright. I'm not going to crank it down too tight. Alright, so we're good. We're actuating. Now, this guy's coming in here. I don't need to super glue this guy down. I'm going to, though, right down here at the bottom of the gearbox, right here, if I can. Reason being is if, what this guy also has is, see this here, this plate? Okay? Whee! This plate goes on like so. Okay? Then you have this space here for these wires to go underneath. Okay, so I want these wires underneath and then the neutral wire on top of it. Okay? So if I get this guy down, shape it, bend it, so that we stay down here as close to the bottom as possible, we should be good. Okay? You're out of the way of the anti-reversal latch, so on that side we are good. Here's the this is the set of wires from the original switch that we're replacing. And then we also have, where is it here? Here we go, the motor. Alright, let's not do that. Which way? Okay. Every once in a while I gotta try to remember, and I don't remember, I'm not gonna lie, which way the wires come out. So, I'm just gonna mark it for me. That's the negative. Right? Nope, that's positive. That's gonna be positive. Either way, it doesn't matter, honestly. I need coffee. Positive. Seems very short. Don't like it. Both of these wires are short. You know what? I'm not even going to use them. Got some extra wires from the MOSFET, so I'm going to use this. Know I need to mark this, so see if we got some heat shrink in here to mark this with. Before, like I said earlier, I was gone this weekend, so I don't know where my heat shrink is. It's kind of annoying. So I had a whole thing of different colored heat shrink. Who knows where it went? And let's hope YouTube doesn't. I'm going to turn my radio down a little because, you know, YouTube, the Nazis that they can be, very quite possibly could sit there and go, "You are infringing on copyright. You do not have permission to use this song. So stop using it." And I'm like, I like listening to music while I work. So you can eat my something. Eat my something. Okay? Alright. So the positive wire, which is now nice and long, is going to go there. Really, I'm going to be quite honest with this gearbox. I am not digging how the wiring goes through this gearbox. Oh, I kid you not. I do not like it at all. That's just messy. That's just sloppy. That's just poop. But let's get some more heat shrink. It really is. It's poop. It really is poop. Could have done it better. They should have just used a regular standard version 2, but this is like a version 2/3, version 3 weird proprietary piece of poop. That's what I'm going to say. Piece of poop. I think I'm going to go with it's going to be better to be longer than shorter. Not a great design on VFC's side. I can see why and how the customer would have wound up pinching the wires. This should be one piece. You don't need a you don't need this. This is like not needed. It's extraneous. Should have just made a regular gearbox so you can put the wires through. So, alright, so that's in. This whole thing's been cleaned up. So there you go. This is what the wiring is going to look like. Yeah, see, I don't like that where the God, it's frustrating. I'm not going to lie. This is freaking frustrating. It's just bad choice on how to do this. Alright. But hey, I'm not the gun designer. Alright, anyways, enough for the bitching. Okay, so there, that's in there. My magnets are giving me a hard time. So, now what I'm going to do is put these gears back in. Alright, so I'm going to be cleaning these gears off too while I'm putting them in there because these gears were pretty bad. Not bad, I mean, there was okay, yeah, I guess we'll say, for me, excessive amounts of grease. Make sure the shim's still on the bottom. As you can tell, I am not going to rush. I don't like to rush. I never will rush. Yeah, good. Okay. You know, with this triple, this is a fun cutoff lever. The selector, the cutoff lever, is pretty cool. Wow, that's a useless Q-tip. Alright. Ta-da.
Hey, what's up? This is Ben from Breaking Benjamin. Thank you so much for listening to our music on Pandora.
They said thank you. Ha! But they were paid for it. Alright. Last one. Yeah. Another thing I will say, yes, my videos are long. I don't edit them. What you're seeing is what it is. I'm not rushing. I don't ever rush. Not. So one of the other things I was going on with this was that it looked like the anti-reversal latch spring I'm just going to say this, all this going on right now is stopping me from buying this gun. Honestly, this is like no buenos. I guess these wires can go up there. I mean, I'm trying to line this up with this guy here. I guess that can go like so. That one goes down. It's not make putting this anti-reversal latch in any easier, because there it is right there. The anti-reversal latch is actually, from the looks of it, it's sitting on the wire. Not cool. I don't like this. Honestly, I am not a fan of this thing at all. This is no bueno. It is no good at all. No good at all. This gun is gonna piss me off because this design is just horrible. So let me ask you guys, so we're gonna put this guy in here. This has got to sit, so I'm gonna assume, yeah, see, where does this spring connect to? So if I put this, set you back in. I don't see where they leave you room for the wire. I really don't. Or it could be that's why these wires here are a lot thinner. Yeah, they're thinner than this wire. So I'm stuck using this poop wire. So that sucks. Because I'm stuck using the poop wire. I don't like this wire. I also don't know what stock he has on this gun, because there wasn't a stock on it when it came in. So this is annoying. right.
Today and every day with AARP. Learn how at aarp.org/Los Angeles.
Okay, so I can see how and why he got that wire stuck. Yep, I can see how he did that. I am going to say, VFC, you get no brownie points for this mess. So, that's great that it has burst. The burst mechanic is cool. But this is just a pain in the butt. It is a pain in the serious butt. Yeah, this is just bad. I'm cutting this crap off. What happened? Where did my music go? What happened? Oh, okay. Slide B. Okay, here's a, yeah, this is just bad. I am not kidding. This is just bad. Just freaking bad. This is, yeah. I know the next guy I work on for this there is going to be a just because you bought a dumb gun surcharge. Alright. Here's the other thing. You see this wire? You guys can't see it. I'm trying to get the cutoff lever spring up above the negative wire for the circuit. Okay? The negative wire's got to sit there. Positive wire sits here. Alright, well. Let's... Okay, I guess that's what we get. Alright, so that's staying. Now the trigger. Alright, well, I think I did a sequence out on this. Ugh, as annoying as it may be. I think part of the problem is too is right now the air conditioner is broken in here. I am massively annoyed because of that. It is nasty, hot, sweaty. Usually don't have that much of an issue with it, but today it's annoying. Alright, so put this trigger in first. Alright, then put in your switch. So that was my bad. Okay, so switch, trigger, then trigger contacts. Okay? Yep. So switch, because the switch spring, you're going to need to get under it. Okay? And it needs to go underneath that plate. So, I'm definitely on the fatigue side of life. Or should I say annoyed. I mean, on the other side, I'm going to be honest, I've only done 2 of these. I prefer the SEMA better. When I can find them. Usually I'll jump on it. Find it used, I'm jumping on it. It's just a way easier gun to work on. Alright, so that's where we're at. It's going to be interesting soldering these wires here. I'm not going to lie, but I can't use any thicker wire. The silver wire is too thick to fit inside this gearbox. So that annoys me. So that's another annoyance working on these VFCs. Okay, so before I put this together, I've got to fix the cylinder issue. This guy here. So I'm going to go pop this guy out, try to find a cylinder that fits. And when you come back, I will be reassembling the gearbox. After I clean all the goop. Yes, all that goop off the piston. So I got some more cleaning to do. I'll see you guys in a bit. Or should I say next video. Peace.